Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add an employee on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify dashboard, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find the home section, orders, products. Right here, you're going to find customers, content, analytics, and marketing and discount. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And lastly, right here, you're going to find your apps. And in the bottom, you're going to find settings. So basically, guys, right now, in order to be able to add an employee on Shopify, first of all, you go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here. So basically, guys, right here, you're going to find all of the different settings of your Shopify store. Here in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find general, plan, billing, users and permissions, payment, checkout, customer account, and so on. Right now, go ahead and click on users and permissions. And then once you do that, you're going to be here in this page. So once here, as you can see, guys, under permissions, first of all, you're going to find the store owner. As you can see, guys, you can also transfer your ownership if you want. And then here under it, you're going to find staff account. So basically, guys, in order to be able to add staff, first of all, you need to have a subscription plan that includes additional staff accounts. And then once you get your subscription, you're going to be able to add staff from this page. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.